Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open your editing app and load the trend clip. Act fast. First, trim to the moment that shocks or answers a question, that hook in the first 0. 5 seconds sells the rest. Then, make sure you're on 9:16 vertical, export at 1080 by 1920, and aim for 15 to 30 seconds. Once done, cut source shots under 6 seconds and paste cuts every 0.5 to 1 second so viewers stay glued. You now build the middle. Lead with a visual question or bold text in the first 3 seconds to set expectation. Next, sync cuts to musical or vocal beats and use motion tracking sparingly to guide the eye. This keeps rhythm and clarity. Also, add readable captions, crisp sound design, and one clear call to action near the end. When you pair pacing with a tight narrative, viewers watch longer and the algorithm notices. You're ready to publish. Drop the short while the trend still has momentum, ideally 1 to 3 days after peak interest. When uploading, test 3 thumbnail or caption variants across early posts and iterate over 1 week based on watch time metrics. If performance stalls, audit your first 3 seconds, audio clarity, and average view duration, fix the weakest element and repost a trimmed version. Finally, promote on one platform briefly to kickstart initial engagement if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.